In this video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a look at the new for 2023 Meto Expert S 626 single line price labeler. This tool replaces the discontinued Meto Eagle 626. So if you've got an old Eagle 626 and looking to order a new one, you can't, they're now discontinued. There's no need to panic, these guns are still fully serviceable, and the ink rollers and labels that you've got for your Eagle 626 will work in the Expert S626. So here we are. So as I said, it's a single line tool. So you've got the dial knob here where it's easy to change from pricing or date marking. I've printed out a couple of samples of the different type of print you can have, but I've also got a full print head configuration, and I'll put a link to that in the video description so you can check that out. But you can basically price $999.99 with a pound symbol. You can also do $99.99. You can have a 6-digit code up to all nines, and you can also have a date, so 29th of December 29, so you could use that with a best before or used by label. So it's still a versatile tool. If you're not familiar with Meto guns, Meto are a German manufacturer. They've been manufacturing pricing guns since the 50s actually. The gun's been popular in the UK from the 60s onwards. They are manufactured to an extremely high quality. The unique thing about Meto pricing tools is that they are fully serviceable. So they're more expensive than other guns, but other guns that you might pick up online for 20 or 30 pounds, if you drop them, break them, the parts aren't available and there's no service centres for them. In the UK there's multiple Meto service centres, including Shop Stuff ourselves and also Infalabel, so you can return your gun within the warranty period, but also you can return it beyond the warranty period to Infalabel or Shop Stuff. We kind of look at Meto guns as having a lifespan of decades rather than months or years, so that's one of the key differences with them. If you've already got Metos and are familiar with them, you might be thinking, why have they replaced the Pro lines initially and then now why have they replaced the Eagles? They're basically, to be fair to Meto, they've actually made these Experts are the best ones they've ever made. They've massively strengthened areas of the tools that are vulnerable to being dropped. So if you go to a big department store or a big supermarket that's using pricing guns, they'll be using Meto tools because they're the best and have the longest service life. But the Experts, they've strengthened the trigger and handle area here, so these are a lot more resilient. They've massively strengthened this area here that holds the labels in place, and then also crucially the front part here has been massively strengthened, and this is also clear, so it helps it makes it easier to spot what's going on at the bottom of the print head, and if there's any label jams it makes it a lot easier to resolve. So if you want to order one of the Expert S626s, I'll put the links into the shopstuff.co.uk website. We hold all the range of the Experts in stock, so if you order from Shop Stuff, they're available for next day delivery. At the end of this video, well, in fact probably appearing now or very shortly, there'll be video links to the video instructions on how to load new labels and how to change the ink roller, but I'll also put up links to the rest of the tools in the Expert range, so feel free to check those video links out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.